All right. See what Buddy's doing. What's going on, buddy? Hey, so come on, let's go try to. Right, you want to go outside and go take a walk? You're not even quite sure, but you've been warm under your. Look here, little. Your under chin skin. I'm trying to help you. All right, let's see how healthy my Nile monitor is. Right, look at these claws in my watch. Right, the claws grow and they grow almost every week. But you can see the ring on it where I always clip them at. All right, let's see if we can get a closer look. There it is. What's up? I'm checking out your nails. Oh yeah, for sure. Right, check out them back leg nails. Gotta make sure everybody's doing. Oh my God, you hurt your foot, buddy. How did you hurt your foot? All right, come on, dude. Come on, you wanna come with me? Come with me. Come on, we're gonna go outside. You wanna go outside? All right, people, let's catch you outside. Let's get him out of this confinement. Take him outside to go walking. Right, he was on my shoulder, but he can't fit as well on my shoulder as he used to. So now he's climbing down my leg. All right, take him outside to get some walk time in. I'll let you boy, people. This is my Nile monitor buddy. Buddy is a carnivore and he does eat other animals. But not today. Today he's taking a walk, so. Alright. See the love I put into this Nile monitor now. All the people Nile monitor probably would have been aggressive. See, look. Non-aggressive Nile monitor. It's because I put a lot of love into him. Because of my handling skills. People, holler at your boy. You want to know how to get your Nile monitor tamed just like mine? You know, by the time he gets to an old age? Watch my videos. Hit that like button, people. Right? Gotta massage him sometimes, you know, just to let him know that I'm a trusted party. Then, a little bit after this, probably gonna go ahead and give him a bath because he has a lot of dry skin. All right, make sure I touch all the feet, you know. This is just a thing I do. And then you just back up and let him take a walk. Now, this Nile monitor has been around me a couple years now. So he kind of understands the way I like it, and I don't, you know, really enjoy him running or playing chase with me. But I can't leave him out here by himself because from past years I've learned not to trust the Nile monitor by itself. He is nice and handleable, but not too trustworthy. Because when it comes down to trusting him, because sometimes he'll give you the head shake and say, well, you could trust me being out here by myself. See, look at him. You know, these type of things like what he's doing now, you know, basically look out to see what I'm doing before he tries to test the waters and do something sneaky. So he walked up to the gate right now, and we're near the fence. And since we're near the fence, he want to look at me funny because the last time he climbed over it, which I do not appreciate, trying to chase after a Nile monitor, you know. And you can already see how big he is, right? And you look at the muscles on the feet. You know, you got to take them outside and go exercise sometimes. Other than that, they'll just get fat. And then the chase, on me chasing after him some days is a lot of exercise and a lot of energy on this one reptile. And usually after I do all of these things, like take him outside, walk him, let him walk out by himself, or sometimes I put the leash on him when I gotta go out in public, or if I go to a park or something. And what the leash does, it makes him feel more tamed, because just putting the leash on, like at first I was testing out just having a leash on him, the harness on him, and just unlocking it and letting him walk around. And I guess that gave me more trust towards him to just let him walk out by himself, because he got a lot of places to roam and run. Right? He could definitely escape if that's what he really wanted to do. But, it's all about handling your exotic animals and your exotic pets, to know that you don't let them go run wild, out there. Dude, I'm trying to, calm down. I'm trying to help you. I don't want the shit to get in your eyes. So, right? He like it. It's just the love that I give my Nile monitors. People, we love Nile monitors around here. And if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that like button, people. Go ahead and subscribe. Right? We're just doing some Nile monitor handling. And we're showing you how to get your Nile monitors more tamed and head trained, and just trained enough not to strike you or your kids or anybody out there. Because who want to be bit by a Nile monitor? Right? Nobody. They do have sharp teeth. And I can guarantee, after they done bit you, they do draw blood most of the time. And, I don't like that. I don't think anybody else would like it. So... Alright, now that we touched him a little bit, we got him used to us. Now I'm going to try to get some of the skin off, the old dead skin. Or at least off and out the way. Right? So the more you touch him, the more you put your hands around him, the more they'll not see your hands and other stuff that you have as food. So, and, my hands are always near his face. I'm touching him most of the time. So when I go out somewhere with him, you don't want to have an incident where, he tries to bite somebody or opens his mouth and scares people. You're good. I know you've seen something that made you nervous. All right, people, we're going to let him sit out here a good little bit longer. And then, just so you could use the bathroom outside. And, I'm going to go ahead and put him in the tub in about the next couple minutes. See, now he's all agitated. See how he puffed up with air? He's basically letting me know that he wants me to leave him alone, that I have touched him too much at the time. Alright, so let's leave him alone for a little bit, people. Let him get more relaxed and calm him down. And then I'll pick him up and we'll put him in the tub, So I don't ever want him to get to where he has a temper tantrum and he just goes wild and he just wants to bite. So whenever he puffs up, I leave him alone. And then whenever he takes a breath to calm down, I go back and touch him again. So I'll let you boy, people. Can't say I ain't never taught you anything. Giving you tips on how to make your Nile monitor chill and calm. Because everybody else knows out there that Nile monitors aren't the most chill reptiles. They don't really chill out or relax too much. They're, on aggressive a lot. And I do have another Nile monitor that's very, very hard to handle. I call him the biting man because most of the time, he's trying to bite me. So, he wants to be bit by a Nile monitor. Or at least one that